Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to guide you that how you can create an account on Kraken application. So without wasting any time, let's begin our video. The first thing you need to do is to open Kraken application. Before that, you need to download and install the application from App Store or Play Store on your device. Once you do so, you will see an interface like this. Then you need to tap on create an account. If you already have an account, you can just tap on sign in. But we are creating an account here. The first thing you need to do is to enter your email address. So I will enter my email address here. So guys, once you enter your email address, the next thing you need to do is to tap on continue. So once you tap on continue, here you need to create a password. It depends on your preference, but it should be 12 characters, one number, one special character as well. So I will enter the password and then I will show you. So guys, as you can see, I choose this password. This is 12 character long, one number, one special character, and I will tap on continue. So guys, once you tap on continue, you need to select the country of residence. So you can tap on here. If you cannot see your country here, you can go through the list, you can search for your country and you can find that and select that. Then you need to tap on create account. So once you tap on create account, they say to activate the account, you need to go to the email and find the code there, the email that you enter in the beginning of creating an account. You can find a code there and you need to paste it here and then tap on next. So I will go and fetch the code first. So guys, as you can see, I received this code. So I will copy this code and paste it here. And once you paste the code, you need to just tap on next. It is done automatically. Authenticate to retrieve secret, scan your fingerprint here, or I can use the pattern here as well. So once you do so, it will take a bit of time to load. And here you go, they say the account has been activated. So now the next step is to verify my identity. So I want to do it now, I can do it if I don't want to do it, but your account has been created till now. You can verify your account later on as well. So if I close this one, and here as you can see, my account has already been created. I will go to the account to show you, and they say allow notification, but I will later on accounts details, and here as you can see, this is all the details that I enter. So guys, this is how you can create an account on Kraken application. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.